Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect a mobile to any TV. So in here, if you want to screencasting your phone into any TV on your house, for example, so what you need to do is first make sure that the TV screencast has turned on. So on TV, you need to go to the menu or settings and enable the screencast or screen mirroring options on the TV. And after that, you can just open your mobile, and in here you can just swipe on the floating notification until you see the screencast. So if you want to screencast your uh, device with any TV, you can just enable it in here, and then you can also do some settings. You can go to the settings of your phone and then just find screencast in here. Click on enter. So you can see this is the available devices. So if you want to uh select the device, you can also do it in here. And this is the setting of smart mirroring. So what you need to do, you can select a specific purpose for the smart mirroring. So here you can do video, image, or music mirroring. So you can just click on, for example, I want to mirror a video, so just click on video mirroring and then select the video that you want to show on the TV. And in here there's also a screencast settings. There are two on my phone. So the first one is the privacy protection. So if I turn this on, so the private information such as floating notification will not be displayed on the large screen. So I suggest you to enable this so that when there are messages to your phone, it won't show on the screen. So the last settings is the off-screen mirroring. So this one is where you can continue mirroring your phone even after the phone screen is off, so you can easily wake up the screen without unlocking it. So if you want to unconnect your phone with the TV, you can just go to the push notification again, and then here just click on this screencast to stop it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.